Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with hair at about 70% damp. This maximizes mousse activation. Apply 1-2 pumps at roots for short hair, 3-4 through mid-lengths for longer hair. Rub mousse between palms, then distribute from roots to ends with a wide-tooth comb so product spreads evenly. Once done, lightly scrunch to encourage texture. Make sure to avoid soaking the scalp. If you plan to blow dry, apply a heat protectant now, so the next steps protect hair and boost hold. You now sculpt while the mousse sets. Section hair into 3 to 5 parts so you can target volume precisely. Use a diffuser on low heat to lift roots and preserve texture, or use your fingers to twist and scrunch for a natural look. For smoother, structured styles, wrap sections around a round brush or create pin curls. Cool each section before releasing so the shape locks in. Once dry, lift at the roots with your fingers to check balance and make targeted touch-ups. You finish by shaping and setting the style. Use a light mist of flexible hold hairspray from 10 to 12 inches to avoid stiffness, then apply a drop of shine serum only to ends to tame frizz. Make sure to lift and separate sections gently for natural volume. If the style falls flat, reapply 1/2 pump of mousse at the roots and diffuse briefly while lifting. This revives lift without overloading product. If fizz appears, smooth with a tiny amount of serum and avoid heat immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.